How do you think you did?
I think it's pretty accurate to the drawing, so I don't know. I think we can use this as our new logo.
How do you think you did?
Great.
How do you think you did?
Good. Better than Joey's.
Wait, I forget how this works.
How do you think you did?
I think I did pretty decent. Like, I got the letters down and stuff like that, but it kind of looks like a cat with no body. So, I don't know.
How do you think you did?
I definitely missed a lot on the tiger face, but other than that, I don't think I did that bad.